Oh, what a beautiful morning. Kind of. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't want to get up right now. I need to get up. What should I wear? Okay, I hear you. What time is it anyway? I'll just wear this. I should probably get up now. I'm supposed to be having a sleepover with Terra today. So hard to put on. This shirt looks fine. This needs to get put right here. Nice and neat. Let me call Terra. I need to brush my... Oh, it's Kay. Hello? Hey, Kay, what you doing? Hey, Terra, I wanted to know, do you still want to have the sleepover today? Oh, yeah, sure, I forgot about that. It's no trouble if we have to reschedule it. I don't really mind. I just, What? Let's just do it after lunch. That sounds like a great idea. I'll see you after lunch. Okay, I'll see you. Alright, well then, bye. Oh my gosh, oh no, I didn't miss up anything. She's gonna be so mad at me. Let's see what everyone's doing on doll chat. Ugh, I should probably start planning. Wow, that guy sure did do a cool domino effect tower. Ugh, I totally forgot to eat breakfast. I need to eat something. Oh no. Maybe I should just get something to eat. That was so good. Bacon and eggs. Maybe I should do some researching on my computer. I would like to do that. That sounds pretty fun. Bacon, eggs, and grits smells good. That was delicious. Ooh, wow. That's so cool. Interesting. What should I do? I know just what to do. Okay, that's enough researching for one day. All right. Last piece of trash. Wait a minute. I should eat lunch so I can call Terra and go over to her house for the sleepover because it's almost time for me to leave. Ooh, that sounds good to eat for lunch. I need my phone too. Where is it? Oh, no! I should probably eat lunch now. Hey Siri. Yes? Call Kay. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, it's Terra. I better answer that. Hey girl, I was just wondering, you ready to come over? I got everything just planned and perfect. Oh, okay, I'm coming. I just got to get myself together really quick. I'll be there in just a minute. Alright, then, well, just come when you get there. Okay, bye. Alright, well then, bye. I should probably go freshen up now before I leave. Yay! This looks good enough. Now my shoes. I get my purse. Now I'm ready to go. You clean up. Okay, it's all nice and clean. Just gotta wait and wait and wait. I'm waiting and waiting, but I'm getting bored. Kay's here. Hey, Tay. You ready for the sleepover? I've been ready. What? What? It's my grandma. I better answer that. Kaylin's here too. She's calling me. Hey, Grandma. I didn't know you were gonna be calling me today. Kaylin, what'd you call me for? Gosh, Grandma, I didn't know your cat died. I'm sorry. I'd love to come over, but I'm sorry. I'm at my friend's house for a sleepover. We've been planning it and waiting all day long. Take it all out on me. It's not my fault that you lost your backpack. You're the one who brought it at my house, so it's not my fault. You too, Grandma. Bye. Because you have a pink backpack with a star on it doesn't mean it's yours, because I bought mine a long time ago. I need to step up for a minute. She's getting accused for something she didn't do. That's not fair. Hang up now. She's so rude. Poor Terra. I hope this doesn't ruin the sleepover because I really don't want it to ruin our fun. Are you okay? Who cares? I'm fine. Hey, we're besties. You can tell me anything. Tell me, what's wrong? Might be alone for a while. Yes, it's okay. You could just call me when you want me to come back. Okay. You feel better. Okay. This is bad. Kay will have to probably come over tomorrow. I feel so sad for Terra. There was something I can do because Terra doesn't deserve this. That's not fair. This is ruining my sleepover with Kay. Sure, I'm not going back to Terra, so I should probably get comfortable and lay down in my bed. I'm more comfortable in that other outfit. Wonder if Terra's okay. Maybe I should call her. Mind, I don't want to get on her nerves. She's probably upset right now. I should give her a few minutes. Maybe I should call Kaylin to see what was happening or why was she being so mean. Hey Kaylin, I wanted to know, why were you being so mean to Terra today? You made her really sad and we were supposed to be having a sleepover and you kind of messed it up. But you can't just accuse somebody of stealing if they said they did. I don't need this negativeness. I thought you were going to be understanding, but it seems like you're not. So I'm just going to call you back. I'm hungry. I don't have to start stressing again. I need to set these tissues down. I need to give me something to eat. But first, I need to get dressed. Ow! I love hot chocolate. I need to go get a refill.